So with Vertigrow, anyone can farm anywhere, provided you have 4 square feet, sufficient sunlight, and you need to plug your Vertigrow to a plug point. If you're farming for the first time, Vertigrow is designed for you. It's a very easy system to use, and we will provide all the know-how you require for farming. If you keep a very busy schedule, Vertigrow is also the product for you, because it just requires a few minutes of your daily time every day. And this is how it will look like when you've set it up. You have 6 pots, and it's mounted on a nutrient tub, which is mounted on a caster base, which has got wheels. That means it is mobile. You can pull your Vertigrow to sunlight patches so that you can make the most of whatever sunlight you get in your balcony. This Vertigrow system can support 40 plants in 4 square feet. So as you know, as urban dwellers, if we need a balcony of 36 plants, that will take at least 200 square feet. But as you can see, this is very compact and it can hold all your plants. We also have a support app, a mobile app in which you can upload all your queries and our experts will get back to you. So after you set up your Vertigrow, you need to fill it with water and add your nutrient to it, and you can then start farming in Vertigrow. So seedlings that have 3 to 4 true leaves are ready for transplanting. You'll be given net pots and clay balls, and ensure that the roots fall out of your net pot, and you can just place it onto Vertigrow. Ensure that the roots, the bottom of the net pot touches the nutrient. These plants have just been transplanted, and I think there are creepers, there is lady's finger, there are some tomato plants and some green leafy vegetables. This Vertigrow has got cherry tomatoes. They can hold at least 36 plants. And this Vertigrow has got lady's finger plants that are 3 weeks old. You can see they've started to bloom. Now, when you farm in Vertigrow, regardless of the stage, you don't have to do any weeding or extra work. All you need to do is to check your TDS once in a while. You'll be given a TDS meter in your Vertigrow box, and you need to dip it into the nutrient and find out the TDS reading. You have to refer the chart that we have given you in your installation manual, and if the TDS is a little less than what is said on the chart, depending on how old the plant is, you have to add a little more nutrient into it. If the TDS is very high, that is, the concentration is very high, add a little more water to it. You also have something called a pH litmus paper that you can measure your pH. The pH optimum that we have recommended, it lies between 5.5 to 6.5. So once in probably 3 or 4 days, you can check your pH and see if it's still in the optimum. You have pH buffers that are provided online, that you can avail of online, and you can add it to you manage the pH of your Vertigrow. So it's as easy as that. For those of us who keep a very busy schedule, sometimes we don't have the few minutes we have to record our TDS and pH using the TDS meter and your litmus paper. For those of us who have very little time, we have something called the automation in Vertigrow. This will automatically read your TDS and pH using IoT sensors, and using the local Wi-Fi, it will display all these parameters into your mobile phone. So you just need to do the corrected. Plants like tomatoes and lady's finger do very well in Vertigrow. This Vertigrow over here, we've planted cherry tomatoes. As you can see, it's 1 month old, and all of them have bloomed and some have started fruiting. The productivity in hydroponics, that is, we've used hydroponics in Vertigrow, And the productivity of hydroponics is at least 10 times more than soil farming. Another benefit of hydroponics is that it is at least 30 times faster than soil farming. In hydroponics, the question of soil-borne diseases are ruled out, and you don't need to spend time on weeding, and you need to use only very little pesticides. Actually, we've not used pesticides in this Vertigrow. We've applied only neem oil as a preventive measure. Because we use hydroponics in Vertigrow, it's a very sustainable form of farming. 90% of the water is recycled and you save all that water. So also you can recycle all your nutrients. So what's stopping you from farming? If you have 4 square feet, sufficient sunlight. With Vertigrow, you can grow lady's finger, beans, all leafy vegetables, cucumbers, tomatoes, all vegetables, and you will get a substantial output. Now anyone can farm anywhere.